All of you keep your feet on the floor. Keep your hands at thighs. Close your eyes slowly. Wow. Wow. Yeah, making such a full day. Take a big breath. Breathe in and breathe out slowly. Breathe in and breathe out slowly. Set yourself, I am good, I am super, I am excellent. I love Allah, I love Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah, I love my father, my brothers and my sisters. I respect all elders. I can recite Quran very well. I can chant dhikr every day. Rub your hands first on your face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, always I am good. I am super. I am excellent. Allah always with me. Assalamu alaikum. What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Sunday.
What day is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Tuesday.
What is time for God?
Allahu.
What is time for Prophet?
Abdul sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
What is time for Prophet Father? What is time for Prophet Father?
Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. അത് വായിക്കണ്ടേ